Hey, what's up, scrappers? So, Saturday we had 75, 80 degrees, and it was muggy, and it was raining. And this is Monday evening, around 6 o'clock, and we got up this morning to 2 to 3 inches of snow. So, Bush Dog, we're joining you here in Atlantic Canada. We got snow. We got another 10 to 15 centimeters coming on Wednesday. This is when scrapping takes a turn for the worst. I gotta move stuff, so if I need to use the snowblower, I can. I need to take in some more old sheet. Yeah. I'm gonna tomorrow night see if that can get that running and going. But anyway, as I clean up here, I'll bring you back in. So yeah, clean up in front of the garage here. This is my extruder that I need to clean. Just putting this in the garage for now, and hopefully it'll be a little bit warmer in here and this stuff will melt, and I'll be able to clean this and take it in for what it weighs, what it pays for extrude. But we'll see. Yeah, scrapping with Grandpa. Thinks my shop is dirty. He's a little right. I'm like a hoarder, almost. Hopefully, I can get some of this cleaned up during the winter. There's not much picking up to do. Yeah, organized chaos, that's what it is. Organized chaos. Yeah, so our time in the sun is done. Found a rake alongside the road. Nice rake. I don't know why they would throw out a perfectly good rake, but anyway. And they threw out a bunch of driveway markers, which I'm gonna put up on my driveway later, not tonight. And these are going back out around back. Throw that over there for now. If I have a nice day and I can get to it later, I will. Put it on the pile. My hands are frozen. Put the push mower away. There. Put the wheelbarrow all over the push mower. Two stands I might be able to use to put heaters or something on. Oh. stuff in here for now. Yeah, once the snow gets here, it's hard to scrap outside. That's why I have. That's why I do so much scrapping outside, and then I bring things inside the pile for this winter to micro scrap during the winter. So anyway, if you like what you see, like, share, subscribe, comment, hit the thumbs up button down below, and happy Monday everybody, and we'll see you guys all later on the next one.